Much like humans, tires have a lifespan. When they become so old, worn out, and irreparable, we often dump them in landfills. Unfortunately, this leads to serious environmental issues. And that is why some people now reuse waste tires for various purposes at home. The benefits include reducing landfill's space, releases less toxic chemicals into the air, prevent the spread of diseases which could occur by piling of the tires in the landfill sites. We are worried about environmental pollution, threats to marine life, global warming, and many more issues that arise from landfills. So, to avoid these, it seems like a good idea to recycle. You should know that every year, over 1 billion scrap tires get generated. In fact, in the US alone, there were about 249.4 million waste tires around a couple of years back. And the only way to get things done the right way is through recycling. In fact, history shows that recycling tires have always been a smart move. For instance, a couple of decades back, many people did not own an automobile vehicle. Yet, piles of waste tires were over 1 billion globally. However, as of today, when many people already owned one automobile or the other, the pile of waste globally contained only about 60 million scrap tires. And this is thanks to tire recycling. So, yes, tire recycling is a good choice. Because of their large sizes and hollow shapes, tires take up plenty of space in landfills. By recycling tires, we are saving up space on landfills for other difficult waste recycling. Due to their huge sizes and heavy metal content, tires pose a health risk to the environment and people. When put in waterlogged soils, tires can leach toxins into the groundwater and pose a huge problem. Used and dumped tires pose health problems to the people around them. Insects and small animals can use the tires as their homes and later cause health issues to the human population. For example, when it rains and water is collected in the inner parts of the tires, mosquitoes can come and inhabit these places and later cause health problems to people. Many DIY projects are proving the many benefits tire recycling offers. Garden planters, outdoor furniture, playground equipment, fiber steel, and nylon can be derived from recycling tires. Waste tires are as dangerous as they are beneficial. Because they are non-biodegradable and energy efficient, they fill up landfill space, release harmful gases, causing serious environmental havoc. The benefits include reducing landfill's space, releases less toxic chemicals into the air, prevent the spread of diseases which could occur by piling of the tires in the landfill sites. As we saw earlier, carbon is among the major components on tires, and so, by burning them, you are polluting the environment as it releases carbon and other toxic elements into the atmosphere. Recycling, on the other hand, uses environmentally safer methods, and it is unlikely it will cause any air pollution. There have been more efforts to reduce the piles of tires in landfills. And that is why some people now reuse waste tires for various purposes at home. In conclusion, it is important to recycle any solid waste including tires to ensure that the environment is clean. No need for old tires to be an environmental hazard. Overall, when you recycle tires, you are creating an opportunity for new products. Thanks for watching.